So, here's the normal map of Snowbird. I went to Smileys, which is across from the tram pizza or tram car pizza. It's like a photography place, and that's where you can get the ski patrol map. Or, well, that's what I've heard it called. It's with all the landmarks. It's hard to get out. There we go. Oh, here, let me set you guys down. I'll keep it rolled up for you guys until I unroll it. There we go. So, let's see about this. Oh, wrong side, of course. I'm going to have to hold this down with the salt and pepper and everything. So this will take 1 second. Sorry about that. Nice. Let me put the salt and pepper down. This is a pretty big blister size thing. Let me turn out this big light for you guys. So this is like a actual image. So here you can see all the different runs and everything. So you've got the diagonal, which is the one that I got stuck in. Yeah, it's not showing up super duper clear on this camera because of the lighting. But yeah, the lower circ and everything. So it's all nice. Here you have pipeline, center chute, lizard's belly. This is the west twin of the American Fork Twin Peaks. And you've got GAD 2 wind rolls. Let's see. GAD 2 lift ends up here. You have upper election, you have the gate, you have broomsticks, ABC chutes. That's it. I think, no, that's not it. I did broomsticks and Stratton's Grove. So I went broomsticks. That's that little gully I did. You have steeper than hell. All this stuff. This was $35 plus tax, so it was like $37-ish. Oh, don't want to break it. So as avalanche gate lines and shows you where the gate would be. So there's the avalanche gate. Here's the line. You have traverse lines, the cool lift traverse, and you have the lifts. You have some of Mineral Basin. You don't have all of it in this one. There's a specific Mineral Basin and an Alta map. I didn't get those. Okay, that's it.